Yeah, I'll be working on size 25. That's it. Yeah, and I've already taken my measurements. So I'll be starting from here for the front design to end here, then the back belt from here, then end it here. So you make your chain, you make your knot, then it starts from here. So you work 21 chains. 21 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You work 21 chains. Yeah, after that you fix here. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, you work single crochet to this point. You skip the 2 stitches on the sew, then work single crochet on the 21 chains you made. Yeah, at the end, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew. The first stitch, then the next stitch, single crochet, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch. Skip this, crochet on the next stitch. So continue working to the end. Yeah. So at the end, I made single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew. Then you turn. So this is the third row. So on this third row, we are going to make single crochet and the spike. So on the skip the first stitch, on the next stitch, single crochet. Then next stitch, you spike, that is crochet on the back stitch. Then next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, you spike. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, spike. Next stitch, single crochet. So you can see it. You spike and single crochet. So continue working till you work to this end. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end, I single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew. Then you turn, skip the first stitch, single crochet on the next stitch. Then next stitch, you spike. So I'm now on the 4th row. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, you spike. Next stitch, single crochet. So you continue working spike, single crochet, spike, single crochet to the end of 4th row. So at the end, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the on the sole, then you turn, skip 1 stitch, you continue working that till you work more 10 rows of. Yeah, you can see it. So on the last row, I made single crochet all through. Yeah, so the next thing now is to work the side belt. So I'll be starting from here, work 8 chains from here, Yeah, you can see it. So you make another one chain, making it 9 chains. So you skip the last chain you made, then continue working on the 8 chains we had. So you work down. At the end, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew. Yeah, at the end you turn, then skip the 2 stitches on the sew, then single crochet on 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then on the 6th stitch you slip knit and turn. Skip the slip knit, then single crochet down on the next stitch. So at the end, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches on the sew, turn, skip the 2 stitches, continue working crochet to the end here. So you continue working till you work more 4 rows of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. So I did the same thing the other side, this other side. So the next thing now is to work the back belt and the front belt. So for the back belt, you count out 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then start on the next stitch, make 23 chains. So once after working 23 chains, you work 5 rows of spike and a single crochet. Then for the front design, you work 32 chains from here. So you count out 4 stitches, then start on the next stage, work 32 chains, then work 5 rows of single crochet. You will end it on top here, then the back one you also end it on top here. Yeah, you can see it. The front belt, then the back belt. Then after that you fix your buckle, and here is it. Yes.